there is and there are. Ok? Guys, a nossa aulinha está sendo assim por causa da paralisação, então nós estamos fazendo um vídeo de revisão para que vocês possam estar estudando durante essa paralisação, ok? Okay, so let's start. There is and there are. Okay, this is a table. Remember? Table. This is a book. Book. So now the book is on the table. There is a book on the table. Okay? There is a book on the table. Ok? Lembram que toda vez que é o verbo existir, então aqui na nossa table, there is a book. Ok? And still singular, one object or one person, there is a glue on the table. There is a glue on the table. On the table. And remember, a pen, one pen, a pen. Okay? So there is a pen on the table. There is a pen on the table. So here we have a book, a pen, and a glue. There is a book on the table. There is a glue on the table. There is a pen on the table. Okay? So for singular and affirmative, we use there is. Okay? Now we're going to see the plural. The plural when we have two or more objects or persons. Okay? So the first example, there are two books on the table. Plural. There are books on the table. More than one. More than one. Okay? Scissors. Remember scissors we used to cut. So there are scissors on the table. There are scissors on the table. Now we have one and two pens, and there are two pens on the table. There are pens on the table. Okay, so for singular, affirmative, we use there is, and for plural, affirmative, we use there are. Okay? Don't forget it. And let's go now for negative. In a negative, we change only this part into the negative. So instead of is, it becomes isn't in the singular. If we are talking about one object or person, isn't. Okay? So there isn't a pen. There isn't a pen. Pen. There isn't a pen on the table. The table is empty, so there isn't. A pen is with me. It's not there. Okay? Remember glue? So there isn't a glue here. There isn't a glue on the table. Now book, book. There isn't a book on the table. There isn't a book. No book. The book is on her hands. Okay? Okay, remember books? Okay, the books are on my hand. There aren't books on the table. Here, no books. So, there aren't books on on the table. There aren't books. Very good. Now, pens or scissors. There aren't any pens or scissors on the table. There aren't pens or scissors on the table. No pens or scissors. Okay, now we have questions. Okay, for singular we use is there. Remember, affirmative, there is. Questions, we invert the position. There is there. Okay? Mostra pra eles o is there, porque eu fiquei longe do question. Guys, this is the question, okay? For singular, is there. So all the questions in here, it starts. Is there goes in the beginning, and you invert. So instead of there is, you invert, you put is in the beginning, is there. Okay? So, okay, I'm going to ask Miss Gehlen a question. Put it in here. Thank you. So, Miss Gehlen, is there a book on the table? Book. Book. Yes, there is. Very good. So, Miss Gehlen, is there a glue on the table? Yes, a glue. Yes, there is a glue on the table. Yeah. Miss Gehlen, is there a blue pen on the table? Oh, this is purple. No, there isn't a blue pen on the table, but there is a purple pen on the table. Very good. So now we are going to work with the plural. Okay, the plural, two or more. When we are talking about the plural, we have are in the beginning, and then we have there. So are there. Okay? So can you ask me the questions? Yes. Okay. So Miss Menezes, are there books on the table? Oh, yes, Miss Gehlen, there are 2 books on the table. Okay. Are there scissors on the table? Oh, yes, there are scissors on the table. Oh, are there markers on the table? These are pens, books, scissors. No, there aren't markers on the table. Are there pens on the table? Oh yes, I have a pink pen and a purple pen, so I have 2 pens. There are, yes there are, 2 pens on the table. Okay, very good. Okay guys, so this was our class of there is and there are. Don't forget to study, ok? Yeah. Ok, guys? Então, com essa explicação que eu e a Miss Menezes fizemos para vocês, vocês vão conseguir realizar aquela atividade que está sendo enviada por e-mail, ok? Não se esqueçam de estudar. Don't forget to study. Ok. Gente, aqui a gente tem a explicaçãozinha. Se tiver alguma dúvida na atividade, também tem todo esse conteúdo lá para vocês consultarem. Mas qualquer coisa é só mandar mensagem para o celular do Fundi 2, que a coordenação entrará em contato com a gente para a gente poder responder tudinho e vocês conseguirem fazer tudo bonitinho, tá bom? Ok? Bye bye! See you!